How's it going, guys? We're back again for another installment of the Quarantine Archives. It's been almost a month now, finally getting used to the swing of quarantine, but also again gives me plenty of time to go back and look at some old footage. So this week again, I'm continuing the trip that I took last October with Carmen, and so this is going to be part 2 of that series, and I can't wait to show you what's in store. So let's just get right to it. Lago de Bris, one of the most Instagram spots in all of Italy. Being the professional that I am, I forgot something slightly important. Fortunately, Ryan let me borrow his camera for some truly incredible shots. Alright, so we've had a great morning shooting, worked up a good sweat in this, puffy jacket weather, and now it's time to really take advantage of the lake, go for a little swim.
2, 1, go! Amazing, high five. Well done. High five.
That was refreshing. Ryan, how you feeling?
Good. I feel like I just drank 10 cups of coffee.
Let's get back to the car, crank the heat, and then get a very warm shower when we get back.
Yes.
After we warmed up, we hit the road again and headed to our next sunrise location. Day 4 in the workshop here, and it's 6 a.m. so we got about an hour hike up, but I think we're gonna get lucky. It's looking like we might have a pretty epic sunrise. High five! Woo! Made it! Alright, so we made it up here in time for sunrise, which is going to be spectacular. Back there we've got the Three Peaks, which is one of the iconic sites here, and the reason that we're in this spot. Got a beautiful sunrise coming up. Woo! And then Carmen and everybody's down there eating breakfast while I'm being a schmuck and running around, so it's fine. But I got 3 time lapses. This should be an awesome sunrise. Really looking forward to this. We made it. Had an awesome sunrise. Got some beautiful shots. Now it's time to head to location number 2 for the morning. Man, how we doing? Woo! I just cannot get over this view. After a truly epic morning, we are heading for spot number 2. Carmen's decided that this is the prime mid-morning spot. So, everybody say hi. Woo! It was truly an awe-inspiring landscape. But a couple minutes later, I had something else to worry about. All right, so we left the hut way back down there, probably about an hour ago, maybe a little more. When we did, I set up a GoPro to get a time lapse because the clouds were rolling in real nice. But we've been gone a lot longer than anticipated. So it's gonna be interesting to see if it's actually still there. I really hope so, because it's not my GoPro, it's Sarah's. Turns out it wasn't the GoPro I should have been worried about. So I sprinted back because when I went to check where the Osmo was, literally maybe 100 yards from where we were shooting, it was gone. Fortunately, the GoPro and Carmen's phone were still there. But now I'm trying to race back, see if I can either catch who may have took it, or see if they dropped it off at the front desk of the hut. Unfortunately, they didn't. So, without anything else to do, I left my email address with the desk, and we headed out to our next adventure, which came with another early morning wake-up call. Good morning for day 5. We are about to go mountaineering, so we've got about an hour and a half climb ahead of us, straight up a mountain, and to see a beautiful sunrise. So. High five! Woo! High five! You made it! Woo! Got a celebratory shot at the top. Woo! Ryan, what we got?
This is some kind of pine liquor. I have no idea, to be honest.
It's 7 in the morning and we're drinking liquor. I mean, woo! Everybody wave! Woo! Yeah, no problem. Yeah, this is gonna be another Don't Tell Sarah moment. Way to go, team. Woo-hoo! Great morning. Well, that's it for part 2. We got to see some incredible sunrises and sunsets, and unfortunately learned a valuable lesson, which is always back up your footage every night. I never actually got the Osmo back, so unfortunately I did lose a lot of that footage, but I was lucky in that I had enough that I was able to actually make this vlog, so count your blessings. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit subscribe down below and hit the little bell icon. You ring that and it will tell you when I post the next one. In the next one, I'm going to be finishing the trip with Carmen, and so be sure to tune into that. And until next time, stay safe.